from the usual intensive remedial classes in academic subjects, this year the bootcamp will give a greater part of its activities to teaching participants such higher computer skills as software installation, web design, and other high-level information technology skills.
Different people united in one goal are making a difference. A world away, a Nigerian professor and a Rockville rabbi working to give people in need a chance to succeed. Shannon Bream has our What's Working report.
These are the faces of Nigerian men and women seeking information and opportunity. Rabbi Howard Golan saw them firsthand during a trip to Nigeria in 2004 and returned to the States determined to make a difference.
See where the people go, and they see the poverty, and they meet the people, and they fall in love with the people, and they make promises. And the promises largely go unfulfilled.
Little did Goran know, but a passionate Nigerian native and professor at Montgomery College, Dr. Christiana Okechukwu was hard at work trying to send materials back to her homeland where she continued to see enormous needs.
I knew how much reading the books was helping. So I started book drives here. My colleagues at Montgomery College started giving me books to send home.
And it was one of those colleagues who saw a match made in heaven, urging Okechukwu to contact her rabbi about the efforts in full swing of the Tikva Israel congregation. Together, they began collecting books and computer equipment and shipping it back to Nigeria.
When we joined forces, we accomplished a lot. He has the money, he has the connections. I have the Nigerian front. I can negotiate myself and my way around the custom and get the things out in a very big time.
They're very excited. What one person called a tsunami of
Professor Okechukwu had many success stories of young men and women whose lives have been transformed by the skills they get from her Inwele Education and Resource Center in Enugu, Nigeria. I like how she sums it up. If you have education, even an armed robber cannot steal it from you, from your brain.